If you want to hide apps on your Samsung phone, so first of all, you have to swipe up, just like with a simple movement, right? To open up our app drawer. Here, locate your search tab, but don't tap on it yet. We gotta tap on these three buttons, which are the top right corner. Now to settings. In our settings option, let's find our hide apps. Here it is. Choose it, and here you'll see the whole list of your applications which you can hide. For example, let's hide our ChatGPT. When you're done, and when you're satisfied with your decision, press done. And if we're gonna go back to our home screen, as you see, it disappeared. It's nowhere to be found, right? So if you want to find your hidden apps and bring them back, follow the same steps. So once again, press these three buttons, settings, your hide apps. Here is your hidden apps list, and simply tap on the application. Now confirm your choice by pressing done, and if we're gonna open up our app drawer once again, as you see, it's back. And basically, that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.